Right, the Ninja Programmable XL 14 cup coffee maker. And then it tells you what all these buttons do, the delay, the 1 to 4 cups. Right, and this is what this thing looks like straight out the box. It's got the pot here. Okay, go ahead and check out the Ninja blender and the air fryer while you're here, because you can't go wrong getting anything Ninja buys. That's what it looks like to put in, so you can see the backside as well. Heck yeah, it looks real good. So let's go ahead and start making some coffee. Just cleaned it out like the instructions told me to do. We filled the water all the way up to 14 cups max. Go ahead and plug this in. Boom. What time is it? 9 a.m. 9:09. Perfect. Now it says classic brew with water only. Just like that, it is done. Going through that entire first run with just the water like the instructions said. So let's go ahead and put some coffee in it and let's get us a cup. We locked the brew through lid in here. Gonna put that right there. We already got our permanent filter in there. We're just gonna take this scoop out. And since I only want two cups of coffee, I'm gonna take 1 scoop out of Cameron Smooth Coffee Highlander Grog. We're gonna put it into the filter and we're gonna brew 2 cups. Man, I wish you could see that a little bit better. It smells delicious. Smell it through the phone. Smell it through the phone. Is it at right here? Go ahead and grab a scoop of Cameron's. And go ahead and throw this in here. Just like so. Go ahead and close that bad boy. Well, I guess we don't need to throw it in there. We got a designated spot right there for it. Go ahead and plug her in. Go ahead and redo it. For 1 to 4 cups, classic. Yep, we're good to go there. Why is it? I'll go ahead and change this back. Oh, it's 11. It's 11 now. There we go. Bad boy out. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm not exactly sure how many ounces this cup is. Let's see. 14 ounce cup. So I fill the 14 ounce cup all the way to there. And so we have, I don't know, about that much. Maybe half a cup, maybe another cup. That might be another cup, I'm not sure. And that was to the line number 4 to fill up a 14 ounce cup, and then that's what was left over. Anyways, go get you one.